sleepily. In a tired or sleepy way. He answered sleepily in the morning. She walked sleepily to the kitchen. Harshly. In a cruel, strict, or rough way. The teacher spoke harshly to the boy. She answered harshly during the argument. Disgustingly. In a very unpleasant or dirty way. The room smelled disgustingly bad. The kitchen was disgustingly dirty. Tragically. In a very sad or terrible way. He tragically lost his family in the accident. The movie shows a tragically sad ending. Mockingly. In a teasing or insulting way. He laughed mockingly at my idea. The boys spoke mockingly to him. Suspiciously. In a way that makes people feel something is wrong. He looked at me suspiciously. She spoke suspiciously quietly. Cautiously. In a careful way to avoid danger or mistakes. They cautiously crossed the busy road. She walked cautiously on the wet floor. Speedily. In a very fast way. The ambulance arrived speedily. The workers finished the job speedily. Curly. Having curls or curved hair. She has long curly hair. The little boy has curly brown hair.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!